we are officially underway. It's about 7:45 in the morning here off the coast of the southern tip of Argentina, which you can perhaps just barely make out behind me here. So this is basically the bottom of the South American continent, and you can see the back of the ship and perhaps make out the wake and see that we're underway. Beautiful blue sky day here today. We're hoping, of course, that we get this kind of weather for the eclipse, which is now about 7 days away. So we're first on our way to the South Georgia Islands, the Sandwich Islands, which are south and pretty far east of the Falkland Islands off the coast of Argentina. It's a 5-day crossing just to get to that island, and we'll get to go ashore there, hopefully see some penguins and seals and wildlife. Right now we're being visited by petrels and albatross flying around the ship, and it's quite spectacular. We'll then head south and west, mostly west-southwest, towards the Antarctic Peninsula, and during that crossing between South Georgia's island and the Antarctic Peninsula, we'll come across the eclipse on December 4th. So we'll be showing you, hopefully, the eclipse, which will be very low in the sky, just about 11 degrees off the horizon early in the morning. But hopefully, if we have weather like this, we'll get a spectacular show, and we'll have hopefully opportunities as well to film on shore and show you some of the wildlife and the scenery down here, and share that with you. So we've got quite a team who've been setting up their equipment to both do spectral analysis and photographic imaging of the eclipse and the corona. The idea behind this is that when the moon blocks the sun, it gives you the opportunity to study the very hot and high energy particles that form the solar wind that you can't otherwise really study very closely when you're looking at the full glare of the sun. So the moon acts like a coronagraph, blocking out the light of the sun and allowing you to image other phenomena. So it should be quite interesting. Very capable group here doing this work. Some of the world's most advanced experts, I guess, on eclipses. They've been studying them for many decades now, and should be quite exciting. Just a spectacular day today. We're now completely out of sight of land and currently at a position of about 55 degrees south latitude and 62.2 degrees west longitude, and again heading about due east. Main thing I wanted to tell you, which unfortunately I can't show you in the video, they're too small and far away as far as this camera is concerned, but we're being escorted by the amazing albatross, probably one of the world's longest wingspan birds with like a 3-meter or 9-foot wingspan, and petrels and other ocean-going seabirds. And it's remarkable to realize that, again, they're here on the open ocean, miles and miles from the nearest land of any sort, and just diving and circling and flying, and just a spectacular sight to see. I have captured a few on film, so I'll try to upload some still images. At least you can get a sense of what they look like, but it's nice to have their company out here on this beautiful, spectacular blue sky day. And more later, hopefully again tomorrow. We'll see what the weather brings. Bye-bye.